Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here with FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Grokstar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's a trade that we had on QCOR. This is a black screen today because I'm using actually my screen from my Interactive Brokers account. And let's take a look here. QCOR had dropped all the way down to here and was halted because it lost 50% of its value. And then it was started again. It jumped up over 10%, was halted again. And it was soon after that that someone in the room identified it, and let's see what happened next. It was now high basing here. And then again, high basing again. And I actually took a long here and then quickly fizzled out. And then I went short. So let's stretch this out a little bit and see what happened next. Big fall here, and I quickly went short at $32.49. I'm short right here. And after that, it fell to the 20 moving average. And then bam, look at that, bam, down to $30. So let's see what happened after that. And then it's low basing there, so I took out half at $30.05 for 7.5%. Next, it started to drop again. Pulled down even further. Right here to this is the 50 period moving average. This is a 1 minute chart. And then boom, it fell back up, and I had pulled my stop down, and it got me out here at $29.70 for 8.5%. So this short trade here, half out here and half here, was for 8% in 14 minutes. Wow, that was pretty incredible. And then it started to form what we call a falling wedge here. This is a bullish position. If it breaks out the top, we should be long. I then did go long right here, and boom, look at that. It went all the way up to here. So that long was for a quick 2.8%. But I didn't want to focus on that one. I want to focus on this next one here, because now it's forming a symmetrical triangle. Also, it could be bullish or bearish. So I told folks in the room I'm ready to go either short or long. Had orders set above either one. It was on diminishing volume, as you can see right below here. And let's see what happened next. And look at just before that. Look at this. Boom. Huge volume building just before it gets out of the symmetrical triangle. It goes up. Look at that. And my order is in at $30.38. I'm now long on QCOR. Let's see what happened after that. Boom, boom. It went up. It went up. And then it's starting to high base right here at the 33.50 area. So I went ahead and I took out half at 33.04 for 8.7%. And we have this high here, a possible point of resistance if we get to that. So we had that marked, and then it sliced right through it, kept on going, pulled back a little bit, and now it's high basing. It's now about 12:15, 12:30. It's about time for me to finish trading. It was high basing here. Didn't know I was going to get any more out of it. So I went ahead and I got out at 35.68 for 17.4%, which means that for the entire trade here, it was from here, half out here, the other half out here, was for 13.05% in 17 minutes. Shiver me timbers, buckaroos, that is a great trade. And I say that because today, by the way, is National Speak Like a Pirate Day. Well, these are the kind of trades that we're doing in the Grokstar room, and you're welcome to join us. 30 days for free. Just go to FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com and go to the chat room page, and down below you can sign up for a 30-day free trial. This was just a couple of the 14 call trades today for a total of 38.4% net on all of our called trades. Wow, we had an exceptional day. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron, Just remember that anything can happen. And if you truly do not believe that anything can happen, you will be one frustrated trader. Have a great day.